Discover the top 20 car gadgets that bring cutting-edge technology to your vehicle, enhancing safety, comfort, and overall driving experience. 1. NV300 Max Dash Cam. Beyond typical dash cam features, the NV300 Max offers thermal imaging, enhancing visibility in extreme low-light situations. Drivers can see up to 274 meters, which is particularly useful on rural roads with limited lighting. The 0.1-second AI collision warning system adds an extra layer of safety crucial for avoiding accidents. The high-resolution 384 pixels ensures that even thermal images are sharp, providing accurate visual information when it's most needed, such as during heavy rain or fog. 2. Steady ST2K Touch Panel. This ST2K panel is not only a lighting solution, but also a customizable safety feature. With its adjustable color settings, drivers can change the lighting based on personal preference or visibility needs. The powerful illumination range of 645 meters and width of 64 meters helps drivers see roadside hazards like animals or obstacles. This could make it particularly valuable for those frequently driving in rural or poorly lit areas. 3. Zeekr Electric Car. Zeekr's innovative approach extends beyond electric vehicles, with an emphasis on convenience. The O1 model's 620-kilometer range and autonomous parking capabilities make it competitive with other high-end electric vehicles. The extensive charging network with over 650,000 charging points means reduced wait times and ease of travel across Europe. For electric car users, Zeekr's commitment to fast-charging infrastructure enhances the usability of EVs in daily life and long-distance travel. 4. ZK Biocurity Access Control. ZK Biocurity automated vehicle identification, making entry and exit in parking lots seamless. The system's use of camera-based recognition and special tags ensures that approved vehicles, such as emergency responders, gain quick access. By cross-referencing license plates and vehicle colors, this system provides heightened security, especially for large facilities that need efficient traffic management. 5. Drive Reach Signal Booster. Staying connected in remote areas can be challenging, especially when relying on weak cell signals. Drive Reach supports Verizon, Sprint, AT&T, and T-Mobile, extending signal strength for voice and data. This device is also compatible with GPS navigators, ensuring a steady connection when driving through less populated areas. The device's 5G compatibility makes it future-proof and suitable for a range of mobile devices beyond smartphones. 6. Putco Transformable Anchor Points. Designed with utility in mind, Putco's anchor points allow for efficient cargo management, especially when transporting heavy items. When not needed, they remain hidden, preserving the truck's aesthetic. The robust design, capable of supporting 113 kg, makes these anchors a dependable choice for frequent movers and outdoor enthusiasts. The rust-resistant chrome version further ensures longevity, even in harsh weather. 7. Emergency Signaling Beam. This signaling beam offers a reliable solution for roadside emergencies. Easily attachable with its magnetic base, it can be quickly positioned on the hood or fender. Its high visibility from up to 1.5 kilometers away and durable 15-year lifespan make it ideal for emergencies or breakdowns on highways where visibility is essential for safety. 8. Kibo Faraday Shield. As car theft technology evolves, Kibo's Faraday Shield provides a straightforward but effective way to protect key fobs from signal theft. The shield blocks unauthorized attempts to intercept key signals, making it an affordable and low-maintenance security measure. At only 60 grams, it's a portable accessory that enhances car security without the need for constant battery replacements. 9. Mad Loading Cranes. Mad cranes are a valuable asset for logistics businesses and delivery drivers who frequently lift heavy goods. With a lifting capacity of 500 kg, these cranes reduce the risk of injuries from manual lifting. Their space-efficient design and plug-and-play setup make them ideal for installation in vans, enhancing safety and efficiency in cargo handling. 10. Tesla Autopilot and Full Self-Driving. Tesla's FSD Full Self-Driving is a major advancement toward autonomous driving, though drivers must stay alert. The version 12.5.2 update significantly extends the distance the car can travel autonomously, bringing Tesla closer to full autonomy. While full self-driving remains a vision, each improvement showcases Tesla's commitment to safety and technology leadership. 11. Brenderup Snowmobile Trailers. Brenderup's trailers are crafted to ensure safe and efficient snowmobile transport, featuring ramps, lights, and a protective film for added durability. With weight capacities ranging from 450 to 740 kilograms, these trailers are designed for both recreational and professional snowmobile users. The high-quality construction and thoughtful features make Brenderup trailers a valuable tool in regions with heavy snow. 12. Brink Easy Attach Tow Hitch. The Brink Tow Hitch offers a user-friendly and secure towing experience. Its intuitive attachment mechanism, combined with a locking system to deter theft, ensures reliable performance. Brink's compatibility with a wide range of vehicles makes it an appealing option for both occasional and regular towing needs. And its installation simplicity is a bonus for DIY enthusiasts. 13. Equipment Lock Anti-Theft Locks. Equipment Lock's anti-theft devices are engineered to secure trailers, semi-trailers, and forklifts. Made with theft-resistant materials, these locks can include keyed or coded access options. This brand's focus on utility and security offers peace of mind for fleet managers and drivers who need to leave trailers unattended. 14. Rugged Ridge Tail Light Protector. Designed to shield tail lights from damage, this protector is ideal for off-roading enthusiasts and those who frequently travel through rugged terrain. The durable aluminum construction and easy installation process enhance the Jeep's resilience, providing dependable light protection with minimal maintenance. 15. Citroën 1919 Concept Electric Car. Citroën's 1919 concept car combines performance with futuristic design. With a range of 800 kilometers and wireless charging capabilities, it represents the brand's vision for sustainable and stylish vehicles. Its design, inspired by Citroën's history, offers an exciting glimpse into the future of electric vehicles. 16. Milenco Trailer Leveler. The Milenco leveler makes it easy to stabilize trailers and campers on uneven surfaces. Without relying on smart technology, it offers a durable manual solution to achieve a level base. Suitable for vehicles up to a ton in weight, it's a simple but invaluable tool for campers and RV enthusiasts. 17. Hailstorm Inflatable Car Cover. Protecting cars from hail and other severe weather, Hailstorm's inflatable cover is activated remotely, making it easy to prepare for incoming storms. Its ability to withstand high winds and hailstones up to egg size offers drivers a dependable layer of protection, especially in regions prone to severe weather. 18. Black Series Off-Road Camping Trailers. Built for off-road adventures, Black Series trailers feature an independent suspension system and quad shock absorbers for a smoother ride on challenging terrain. Their rugged design makes them ideal for outdoor enthusiasts looking for reliable camping solutions that can handle rough landscapes. 19. Car Mover XL Electric Lift. Ideal for service stations and showrooms, the Car Mover XL simplifies moving cars weighing up to 2.2 tons. Its ability to lift vehicles off the ground makes it useful for situations where the vehicle's brakes are locked, offering a versatile solution for vehicle repositioning. 20. Curt Cargo Organizer Tray. This cargo tray helps keep items in the trunk secure and organized. Its 5mm high edges prevent items from shifting, and the tool-free installation makes it easy to use. With a weight capacity of 23 kilograms, it's well-suited for carrying heavy items like tools or camping gear, making it a practical addition for drivers who frequently transport various items. These gadgets offer practical solutions to everyday driving challenges, ensuring a smarter, safer, and more enjoyable journey on the road. Thanks for watching.